The name of the game is consistency, guys. -7 Fahrenheit. Snowstorm was yesterday night. But I'm going to work out for my Planet Fitness. If you want to succeed your goals in 2023, the name, what you already know, is consistency. Everything about that. This is the game. This is the way. Wish you all the best. Stay fit, stay healthy. See you soon. They closed gym because of snowstorm. What the fuck? I don't care. I have a workout in my schedule. No, I will not go to highway. I will run around. Yeah, no excuses, guys. Only like that you can achieve your goals in 2023 and in life. Yeah, stay healthy, stay fit. See you soon.